What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn any topic into a full Instagram carousel in our brand voice automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To generate full Instagram carousels automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a scale that will be responsible for generating our Instagram carousels for us. To create the scale, I'm going to click customize right here. Then here, we're going to create the scale using Claude. I'm going to hit enter to describe to Claude the scale I would like it to create for us. So here we're going to paste our description. I've gone ahead and written a detailed description of what we like our scale to generate for us. Yeah. So we are telling Claude to create a scale called AI Instagram Carousel Creator. Here's the core workflow. So we're going to give it a topic, then it's going to understand the topic, apply our brand voice, then it's going to plan and create the carousel, and create the artifact, then score shareability and improve, then give us the final artifact. In the input, we're going to include the topic, number of slides, brand voice, we can also include brand examples, source materials, target audience, and content objective. We're going into more details on the kind of content that we'd like it to generate for us. So we're going to generate our brand voice, then it's going to generate our carousel in slides. Then here you're going to more details on the visual design. It's going to give us a shareability score, prove impulse, then perform a quality check, then give us the final output right here. So this is a detailed prompt. We're going to copy and paste to Claude to create our scale. So I'll copy it, then come and paste it right here. Then I'm gonna hit send message and give Claude a few seconds for it to create our scale for us. So if you're interested in these prompts, just comment down below prompt and I'll share the prompt with you. But for now, let's give it a second for it to build our scale for us. So here you can see successfully created our scale for us from our detailed prompt. This is amazing. So it built it and packaged the scale, and here's how it's going to work. So we're going to give it a topic and a brand voice, then it's going to build our carousel for us over here and give us a final output after giving it a score. And here you can preview our scale on the right, see if it works perfectly. If it works perfectly, we're going to save the scale. So I'll click on save scale right here to save it. Now if you'd like to make changes to the scale, maybe include some information to the scale or exclude some information from the scale to improve it, we can edit the scale. To edit the scale, just click on manage right here and you'll be redirected to the scale. Choose this scale right here. Here you can preview the scale from top to bottom, ensure that the scale does exactly what you like it to do. But if you like to edit it, just click on the three dots right here and choose to edit the scale manually right here, by you yourself including the information you like included to the scale or excluding the information that you like removed from the scale, then clicking save right here to save the scale. But if you like Claude to do it for you, all you have to do is just click on edit with Claude right here, and here you can describe to Claude and tell it the information that you like to include with the scale or the information that you would like removed from the scale. But since our scale works perfectly, we can proceed and generate our carousel for us. So here I'll find our scale with the Instagram carousel creator. I'm going to tell Claude use this scale to create a 10 slide Instagram carousel on, then here we are defining our topic, which is 7 AI automations every small business should have. The target audience, we're targeting small business owners, founders and operators who want to save time, reduce repetitive work, and improve how their business handles leads, customers, and internal operations using AI. The objectives, we like to educate the audience on 7 practical AI-powered automations we can implement in a small business, explain what each automation does and why it matters, and make the content useful enough to encourage saves and shares. Be specific and practical, focus on real business use cases such as lead capture and qualification, customer follow-ups, appointment scheduling, client onboarding, customer support, content workflow, and internal administrative tasks. Avoid vague generic AI advice, and create the finished carousel in a polished Instagram artifact, including the shareable score and final improved version. So to generate our Instagram carousel, I'm gonna hit send right here. I'm gonna hit send message right here. Then we're going to give it a few seconds for it to create our carousels for us. Here you can see successfully generated our Instagram carousels from our topic. This is really incredible. You can see right here it built and scored the 10 slides right here. from our topic. So the score was 80%. This is amazing. Now to preview our carousels right here, you can preview them right here. So I'll expand this to preview our carousels. So our topic was 7 AI automations every small business must have. Here are the 10 slides. So this is the first slide right here. You're doing the robot's job. 7 automations that handle small business owners their time back. It's the first slide, very hooking. So here is the second slide. Automation doesn't replace you. It deletes repetitive parts of your day, so you spend more time on the parts only you can do: sales call, strategy, and actual craft. And here you can see the before and after explanation right here. It's amazing. And automate the inbox triage and drafting. Here you can see what it does and why it matters. The second one is customer support, setting up a customer support chatbot. See what it does and why it matters. The third one is appointment scheduling. You can see what it does and why it matters. Fourth one is social content and scheduling. You can see what it does and why it matters. Fourth one is invoicing and bookkeeping. You can see what it does and why it matters. The fifth one is lead qualification and follow-up. You can see what it does and why it matters here. 7 is meeting notes and action items. You can see what it does and why it matters. And then on the last slide, we are concluding with a powerful call to action. We're telling the reader, pick one, start this week. You don't need all 7 on one day. Automate whichever is eating the most of your time first, then move on to the next. And the call to action, we're telling them, pick one automation to set up before Friday. It's amazing. So these are the 10 slides that we successfully generated using our skill. Now, down below here, you can see the shareability score. So here we're outlining the hook strength, relatability, savability, emotional impact, brand fit, value, novelty, shareability, clarity, the call to action right here. Then why we give it a score of 80%, 80 out of 100. Here we're also writing the caption and the call to action right here to go with the slides. This is really incredible. So we successfully generated these 10 slides here. Outline the shareability score, caption, and the final call to action of the slides using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is amazing. Let's try generating a new carousel from a different topic using our skill. So I'm going to find our skill right here, which is Instagram carousel creator, and then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to create a 10 slide Instagram carousel on. And here we're adding our topic, which is 7 mistakes that are quietly killing your small business growth. Target audience, we're targeting small business owners, founders, and operators who are struggling to grow consistently and want practical ways to identify and fix the problem slowing their business down. The objective, we'd like to help the audience recognize 7 common but often overlooked growth mistakes, explain why each one has a business, and give them a practical action they can take to fix each mistake. Make the final result a functional interactive cloud artifact with one slide visible at a time and working previous, next, and slide indicator controls. Do not display the slide as a vertical document or a markdown list, and score and improve the carousel before presenting the final version. So to generate our carousel for this topic, I'm going to hit send message right here, and I'm going to give it a few seconds for it to create our carousel for us. So here you can see successfully generated our new slides or carousel from our topic right here. Show 7 mistakes that are quietly killing your small business growth. You can see all checks passed here. I need to build and score our slides right here and give it a score of 85 out of 100. This is amazing. Let us preview our carousel. To do that, I'm gonna expand it right here. So you can see the topic of 7 mistakes quietly killing your small business growth. Here are the 10 slides right here. So this is the first slide. So your business isn't stuck, it's lacking. Okay, so here are the 7 mistakes slowly slowing your growth and the fix for each. So this is the first slide. So you can see the second slide right here. So here you can see it's going into more details on the 7 mistakes quietly killing your small business growth. Here is how they look like, and here's what they actually are. The first one is no clear ideal customer. This is one of the mistakes. Here's why it hurts, and here's a fix. The other mistake is the founder is a bottleneck. Here's why it hurts, and here's a fix. The other mistake is no follow-up system. Here's why it hurts, and here's a fix. The other mistake is pricing based on guesswork. Here's a fix. The other mistake is no repeatable marketing engine. Here's why it hurts, and here's a fix. The 6 is ignoring the data you already have. Here's why it hurts. Here's a fix. 7th is nothing is documented. Here's why it hurts, and here's a fix. And on the last slide, we're outlining a call to action. So you don't need to fix all 7 today. Pick one that sang the most while reading this, and then fix that one first, and then come back for the next. Then for the call to action, we're telling them to save these. Then circle the mistakes that hit closest to home. You can choose to modify the call to action, maybe subscribe or more, etc. Below here you can see the shareability score. It was given a score of 85%, 85 out of 100. You can see the score of various items like the hook strength, relatability, savability, emotional impact, brand fit, value, novelty, shareability, clarity, and call to action. And here you can see the reason why they were given the score of 85 out of 100. And here's a caption that you can use the post. And here's the final call to action right here. This is amazing. So we successfully generated this carousel with these 10 slides automatically using the skill that we created here in Claude. So we can try generating a new Instagram carousel automatically using our skill. And find our skill right here, and then I'm going to tell Claude that using the skill, create a 10 Instagram carousel, create a 10 slide Instagram carousel on, and then here we're outlining our topic, which is how to build a personal brand that attracts clients without constantly selling. Target audience would like freelancers, consultants, coaches, creators, and service-based business owners who want to use content and personal branding to attract qualified clients organically. The objective would like to teach the audience a practical framework for building a credible personal brand, creating content that demonstrates expertise, building trust with the right audience, and turning attention into client opportunities without consistently pitching. Make the final results a functional, interactive cloud artifact with one slide visible at a time, and work in a working previous, next, and a slide indicator control. Do not display the slides as a vertical document or a markdown list. Score and improve the carousel before presenting the final version. So now to create our carousel from our topic right here. Now hit send message right here. Then we're going to give it a few seconds for it to generate our Instagram carousel. So here you can see successfully generated our Instagram carousel from our topic, which was how to build a personal brand that attracts clients without consistently selling. Here, to build a 10 slide carousel and give us a final shareability score of 82 out of 100. Let us preview the carousel. To do that, I'm going to expand this right here to preview our carousel. Choose on how to build a personal brand that attracts clients without constantly selling. So you can see the first slide with brilliant copy on the lines of stop pitching, start being magnetic, a practical framework for personal brand that brings clients to you. It's a very incredible hook. Here's the second slide. Selling harder is in the fix. When trust is missing, more pitching just feels like more pressure. When trust is already there, people ask how to work with you before you say a word. You can see the beginning of the framework, the trust flywheel. So you can see the 4 moves that you can repeat on a loop. Each one makes the next one easier. So the first one is position, the other one is prove, publish, then invite. Here we're starting with the position. Claim one problem, one client. Here's what it means and why it matters. The other one is prove. Show the thinking, not just the results. Here's what it means and why it matters. The other one is publish. Show up on a schedule you can keep. Here's what it means and why it matters. The other one is invite. A fight door, not a sales call. Here's what it means and why it matters. And here's why it works. It's a loop, not a funnel. You can see the explanation right here, including this amazing diagram. And then here's a mistake that breaks the loop. Here, and here's a fix. Then we're ending with a brilliant call to action. So run the loop, not chase the sale. Here. And here you can see the call to action right here. This is amazing. And then here you can see the shareability score. And then here you can see the score for the hook strength, relatability, savability, emotional impact, brand fit, value, novelty, shareability, clarity, and the call to action. You can see the explanation why it was given a score of 82 out of 100 here. And here you can see the caption that we can use with our post, and the final call to action right here. This is amazing. So we successfully generated these well-designed, detailed Instagram carousel from our skill right here in Claude. We can try generating one last Instagram carousel using our skill. We can tell Claude, use this skill to create a 12-slide Instagram carousel on a topic, which is 10 ways to use AI to save hours in your work week. Target audience, we're targeting business professionals, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners who spend too much time on repetitive tasks and want practical ways to use AI to work faster. The objective is to show the audience 10 specific practical ways AI can reduce repetitive work across research, writing, meetings, email, organization, customer communication, and everyday business tasks. Make the final result a functional, interactive cloud artifact with one slide visible at a time and working previous, next, and slide indicator controls. Do not display the slides as a vertical document or markdown list. Let's go and improve the carousel before presenting the final version. Here, I'm going to hit send message and give Claude a few seconds for it to generate our Instagram carousel for us. So here you can see successfully generated our Instagram carousel for us right here. We wanted a 12-slide Instagram carousel. Went ahead and did that and gave it a score of 79 out of 100. Let us preview the carousel here on the right. You can see our first slide, 10 ways AI gives you your week back. Practical, specific ways to cut repetitive work, not hype, just hours. So that was the first slide. And here is the second slide. And one of the ways, research summarization. Here's what it does. Here's why it matters. Second one was 10 draft, first draft everything. Here's what it does. Here's why it matters. Third was notes and action items. Here's what it does, and here's why it matters. Fourth was inbox, triage, and replies. Here's what it does and why it matters. Fifth was calendar management. Here's what it does and why it matters. The sixth was instant customer Q&A. Here's what it does and why it matters. Seventh was task prioritization. Here's what it does and why it matters. Eighth was proofreading and polish. Here's what it does and why it matters. The ninth was brainstorming first. Here's what it does and why it matters. The 10th was data in plain English. Here's what it does and why it matters. And then on the last slide, you don't need, concluding by saying you don't need all 10 today. Pick the 2 that hit the tasks eating the most of your week and set them up this week, then come back for the rest. And here's the call to action right here. Then you can see the shareability score. It was given a score of 79 out of 100. And here you can see the score for the hook strength, relatability, savability, emotional impact, brand fit, value, novelty, shareability, clarity, and the call to action quality. So obviously we can improve the novelty, call to action, obviously, emotional impact, brand fit, hook strength, and relatability. And here's the reason why it was given a score of 79 out of 100. Here's a caption that can go with the slides, and here's the final call to action. This is amazing. So we successfully generated these beautiful looking, well designed Instagram carousel automatically using our skill right here in Claude. This is how you can generate a beautiful looking, well designed and detailed Instagram carousel automatically right here in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video. We'll be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.